Ooh, look at this cool new website. Xen Batch Minter, CoinTools.io. Oh, wow. All my coins and wallets may be lost? I'll never be able to batch mint now. What's going on, y'all? You're now watching the greatest channel that has ever existed. My name is 𝘰𝘯𝘺𝘰𝘮, and I truly appreciate you guys for being here with me. So today we're going to come out with a new batch minter, one that is worth more than the batch minter, the CoinTools batch minter. This one is going to be trusted more because the code is more stable. More people have been using it. It's called the XenTurbo batch minter. Okay. So while we did have this batch minter that was called Xen Batch Mint, and it works with good things, and you have a lot of problems, there is part of the page where they literally give you a warning and they show you how to fix it if this website is shut down. Okay. In fact, it says, how do I receive Xen if cointool.app is not accessible? They themselves are saying that this website might not work. Okay, so what you need to do is to go to a website that works a lot better. Now, this actually doesn't need to happen at all because the official website, Xen.network, has the ability for you to create an NFT where you can create up to 128 wallets, and you can have a term limit day of, I guess it's a 447 days, okay? So you can do it, and it's done by Jack Levin himself. It's done by the exact website. But just in case you don't want to do it through the exact website, this is the second best option, okay? So right here we have, it says the Xen tool turbo miner, the manual batch tool, okay? So you can do up to 128 days, and for the max term of right now of 447 days, so 128 wallets, for 447 days. But for research purposes, just from the kindness of my heart, I'm going to do this for you, and I'm going to waste gas and Ethereum just for you, okay? So to do this, what we're going to do is actually, we're just going to put 2 VMUs, or 2 wallets, or 2 virtual minting units, okay? And we're going to do the term that's very, very short, just 1 day. And as you can see, even though I'm doing 1 day for only 2 VMU wallets, it's still going to have a gas price of about $17. And the amount that I'm going to get back is like, what? 20,000 Xen is going to be almost nothing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click confirm mint. I'm going to try to make it cheaper, right? So I don't lose that much money. I'm going to reduce the priority fee to low, click save, and it's going to take about 30 seconds. Okay. Then I go down here and I click confirm. And then as you can say, you see it says that it's trying to confirm. So let's wait. Success. Okay. So we click close. We scroll down here to the bottom, and we see that we have 2 VMUs that's going to have a term limit of 1 day. And it estimates that I'm only going to get 5,000 Xen. God damn, I was saying 20,000, but 5,000 Xen. And 5,000 Xen is worth about, I don't know, half of a penny, something like that. Very, very minimal amount. Okay, even less than half of a penny. And it's locked right now because it's supposed to come out February the 25th of 2023, and today's February the 24th. And eventually, after the February 25th, it's going to come here to the claimable stage, but right now it's in the locked stage, okay? So when you claim and remint, you save about 75% in your gas fees, which is awesome. So after this is done, I can do another claim and remint and save a little bit of money. And I can even sync it to the claim monitor, okay? So if you want to know the website right now, just go to XenTurbo.io/miner, okay? I'm telling you this because I thank you, I love you, I appreciate you. Let's get this money. Watch this video.